Now that you've built a list of high-potential keywords in Semrush, let's export them and use ChatGPT to help write your blog post. If you're not already there, go to the Keyword Strategy Builder, and then open your list. Check the box next to your primary keyword, the one with the highest search volume that you intend to use, and up to 3 to 5 related variations. For me, I'm going to use best road trip apps because best road trip snacks, I found when I was doing my research, links to products that are pretty low price and therefore low commission. Best road trip cars has a good search volume, but not great affiliate programs. And then I have the next big topic here, which is best road trip apps. So I'm going to go the software route, using this as my primary keyword, and then checking the box for a couple similar keywords. That ought to do it. Next, in the top right, click Export. And then under Export Data, use just the selected and download a CSV. Next, let's find competitor content to reference. Click on your primary keyword to open the keyword overview. And then scroll down to the SERP analysis section. This shows the top Google results for your keyword, including blogs, product reviews, and other content creators. Pick 2 to 3 competitor URLs that you'd like to reference. These will help guide your content and give ChatGPT examples to draw from. Don't worry about linking to the affiliate brand's product page. We're focused on blogs and third-party content here. So for me, I might use this Pack Up and Go site, Caroline Rose Travel, and this USA Today article. Pick whichever competitors make the most sense for you, and then save those URLs somewhere. We'll need them in a minute. I've just saved mine in a notepad. Next, let's use ChatGPT to generate your blog draft. You can really use any AI writing tool, but I recommend ChatGPT with the deep research function turned on for the best results. To get started, open chatgpt.com and sign in or sign up. I have a custom blog writing prompt template linked in the description below. Go ahead and open that up in a new tab. Once you open that up, click the Use Template button in the top right corner. There's a few different prompt templates in here. We're going to use this first one for this task. Go ahead and replace any of the information that's in brackets with your information. This includes your topic, keywords, and competitor URLs. You'll want to make sure to grab your primary keyword from Semrush. Next, copy the completed prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. If you're on the Plus plan, toggle on Deep Research. The Plus plan is $20 a month, and in my opinion, it's easily worth it for this feature alone. You can try using this prompt and method on the free plan, but the output won't be nearly as detailed or useful. You'll see why in a few moments. Lastly, upload your keyword CSV file. And then go ahead and submit your prompt. After submitting the prompt, ChatGPT may ask follow-up questions. Just answer them clearly and then submit your response as one message. If it numbers the questions, I like to answer the questions with numbers that correspond to the questions. Once you've answered the questions, hit submit. ChatGPT's deep research function will take a few minutes to process. So while it's thinking, let's go prep your WordPress site for publishing your first blog post. Head back to the WordPress dashboard. Before we publish your first article, let's clean out the sample content WordPress added when you set up your site. First, from your WordPress dashboard, click Posts in the left sidebar. Select all default posts by clicking the top checkbox. In the Bulk Actions dropdown, choose Move to Trash and Apply. Now your site is ready for your first real blog post. Next, let's create a new post. At the top left, click Add New Post. Open the Rank Math sidebar using the small icon in the top right. Paste your primary keyword from Semrush into the Focus keyword field. This helps Rank Math give you SEO tips specific to your topic. Next, let's paste in your blog from ChatGPT. By now, ChatGPT should be done writing your article. Switch back to your ChatGPT tab. Once you're there, scroll through your new article. As you can see, ChatGPT looked at 22 different sources across the internet and built a beautiful article that's really fact-driven, has nice photos, is formatted well, and is ready to use as a starting point for our blog. Even just looking at it briefly now, I know that it's not perfect, but it'll be a really good starting point for us to launch off of. Click this little copy icon at the bottom, then head back to WordPress and paste the article into the main editor window. Finally, let's trim the fat. Sometimes the AI adds fluff at the beginning or end, like a greeting or a sign-off. Skim through the post and delete anything that feels unnecessary. Like I have this greeting here where it's saying, "Awesome, Matt, I'll craft a blog post." We don't need that. Next, copy your article's title and paste it into the Add Title field at the top of the editor. Then, click the eye icon next to the title block to hide the title on the published page. Your design template will likely display it elsewhere. Your draft is now in WordPress and ready for formatting. Before we move on, let's clean up the draft and make sure it actually sounds like you. Start by fixing any formatting issues. For example, if the phrase meta description appears in the body of the post, delete it and leave only the actual description or post summary. Sometimes citations or links get inserted in weird places or they cut off words. Go through and clean those up. You'll notice there's a caption here for the photo that ChatGPT pulled in. It's possible that ChatGPT pulled that photo from somebody else's website and we can't use it, but there's also a possibility that it created that image on its own. AI technology changes really quickly, so it really depends on where the technology is at the point that you do this process. Ultimately, the best practice for this situation is to simply add your own photos in, or find stock photos. So we'll add some photos later. You can delete unnecessary or broken links, but keep a few high-quality external sources. Linking to reputable sites like government resources or trusted blogs can actually help your SEO. It shows Google that you're contributing to the broader conversation online. Just be careful, if the article is citing anything that's not common knowledge, like specific stats or numbers, you'll probably want to consider keeping those citations for trustworthiness. Also, regarding links, by default, links are marked as do follow, which tells Google that you vouch for that site. So use these links only for sources that you trust. Never use them for paid links or sketchy content.